Hi guys, let's do get ready with me. Dying of boredom. We'll start off with moisturizer. It's Dermat recommended. Go to the primer part. Huda Beauty Easy Blur. This much. We'll use some lip balm. Next, we are gonna color correct our dark spot, under eye, and all the scars. Swiss Beauty's color corrector, MAC's lipstick. So I use this as a color corrector as well. A bit of this will color correct it like this. I'm gonna look like a raccoon, but trust the process. Also on all scars you have. Now we'll neutralize this. You can see the mess. I have these three. All the three are from Maybelline Fit Me. This is the darkest one. Take a little bit of this. And you will take the darker shade because it would cover the redness first. Am I speaking in 0.5x above all the redness? I'm a little hesitant to show my sponge. It's not clean. I found my concealer brush. You just have to dab. See, there's the difference. See, all the redness and the scars have been hidden. Let's go to the next step. I have the NARS concealer shade. It's L'Oreal's Infallible foundation. This is what I use. Just one pump works for me. A little bit of this concealer just to give that thickness. Now the people who call this paint would just wake up. The shade looks very bright because we already did our undertone very dark as we did the color correction part. You just have to dab. Oh my god, it just set already, I guess. The blending part is done. I use the dark concealer here and here as foundation brush. And this one, you're supposed to blend it backwards. This and this matches. The lightest concealer I have this on my eyelid. Wow, this is not my eyeshadow, trust the process. Now the base is done. Next we'll start with the eye makeup. I have these 4 eyeshadow brushes. All 4 are dirty. Never mind. Yeah, I'll take this brush. So the palette is from K Beauty. Take this color. There's no shape or line I follow. Doing the same thing here. Next color we're gonna take is this one. Second brush. What? It fell on my under eye. Outer part. Okay. Same thing here. Slightly comes out. You always have your concealer or foundation brush to save you. Just wipe it off. Just to enhance the inner corner, I'm gonna use one more color. Gonna be this one. My brain says just go for some glitter. I think we should. A little bit, as you can see. Also with hand it works really well. If you're doing it with hand, it really works well. I don't have any Indian wears. I haven't bought any. I left all of them back in India. Yeah, so the eye part is done. I only do this much. With the flat brush like this, you can do any shade of the palette. Just go for the under eyes. Like this. Not too much pink, but it complements the upper color you used. I'm not gonna open my mouth. How boys mimic us that we do. No. Done. I'm using K Beauty's eyeliner. I never plan my eyeliner shape or what kind of eyeliner I'm gonna do today. I just go with the flow, whatever the brush takes me, wherever the brush takes me. Yeah. I ended up with this shape, so I gotta copy the same thing here. Let's see. I just did something. I don't know if it's the same. Yeah, it looks like, but we'll go with it. Next, we are gonna do the eyelashes. I have this eyelash curler, a shape. Depression हो रहा है. Let's switch to Anuv Jain. For mascara, I have Rare Beauty and the Maybelline Sky High, all-time favorite. We'll also do the lower lashes. Clean the mess with the eyeshadow brush again if a little mascara has been applied above. Up we have eyebrows. So I have this Moxie Beauty. I don't know what the name is. It's used to like stick your hair if it's flying, but sometimes I use it for my eyebrows. So whatever the foundation is stuck, it just cleans off. It's just plain thing, nothing black. For setting powder, it's K Beauty again. We either use the powder puff or powder brush. It's huge. I go with this usually because only a few part of my face requires it. To take, and then you can dab like this. So wherever you are gonna sweat a bit more, you just set those parts only. Here's where I set the most: upper lips and my under eyes. And forehead and all, it's not required, but I'm just doing it for the camera. It's gonna last for 10 years, I guess. Lip combo first, then I go to my blush to decide which color I should be doing. Nothing on my lips. Liner first. Brown lip liner body. It's my favorite. It's 16, I guess. I don't remember the number. This one is the favorite. This one is for doing the inner part. Huda Beauty's lip contour stain. It's like a sketch. It's gonna stay there. So if you want to like make the stain that doesn't go off, you can use this, which I'm gonna randomly use on my lips. It's just for the stain part, you know. If your lip combo goes off, if you drink or eat something, if your lipstick goes off, this is not gonna go off. You're not gonna look with no lipstick. If you have something, the stain is gonna be there. Lip liner I'm gonna use the lighter shade. I have this very favorite product from Zudio. It's Cloud Kiss lip color. It's a amazing nude shade. I never used nude, but this one I bought and I've been using for so long. I really like the color. Lipstick is done. Once it dries off, you can use two options. I use this Dior's lip oil or this K Beauty's transparent lip oil. It was transparent, but I just messed up and it's like this. So if you use this, let it dry. I'll show you later. ऐसे कैसे वैसे जैसे जैसे मैं पढ़ूं मेरे नींद में For blush, I use Pixie on the Glow. Comes up like this. Like this, I come until my nose and like 2 to 3 dabs on my nose, and then I go like this up. I'm gonna use this brush. It's powder brush, but I don't apply powder with this, so you'll just blend it off like this. It should seem very natural. I think it goes with the makeup. The pink is not causing much an issue, but still I can just nutrify the color. Nutrify? Is that even a word? It's the same thing, just to give that brown nudie effect. One here, one here. Best thing to use your blender from where you don't apply foundation. I use a bit of a concealer, just a bit of a concealer, like this. It's just my hack. I mean, all these steps are my hack. It's not like perfect makeup steps, but yeah, I just blend it like this topwards, like this way. Okay, it gives that lifted look to your face. I don't do any contour because I don't think it's gonna work. I do have a double chin. Now I don't. I don't remember which part I would have skipped. I think it's all done. That's all I do. It's like a full glam. It's not my daily makeup look, but yeah. Let's get ready without me. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.